Good Monday morning, everyone. I hope you guys had a great weekend. We had a little bit of snow out there yesterday. It didn't amount to much, but the big story this morning is the cold temperatures in some places down near 0 degrees. Certainly a very, very cold start to the month of March here. Looking at snowfall reports from yesterday across the area, this map just showing many reports around 1 inch of snow on the grass. There were a couple spots that had close to 2 inches out there yesterday. So pretty much as forecast. Again, it wasn't a big snow event at all out there. Now the big story is the cold, but at least we get some quiet weather here for a few days. A lot of sunshine today, so enjoy that. You will need the sunglasses. Highs in the teens today only. And then tomorrow we could see a couple flurries, but it's not going to cause any impacts out there. Highs in the lower 20s. Wednesday gets a little bit better here, but more sunshine. And then we get to later this week, we will gradually start to get a little bit warmer air in the picture, but we will see the chances of perhaps a little bit of snow on Thursday. It looks like Thursday afternoon and early Friday. Some data is trying to suggest a decent little snow system coming through. Other data is not showing much of anything. So we'll call for a chance of snow. It's too early to talk about whether we'll see any accumulation, but some accumulation will be possible. And then Friday we start to warm things up, and by the weekend we're talking a little more spring-like pattern here with some rain coming in Saturday and the early Sunday. Temperatures should get back to the 50s along with breezy conditions. Again, there's a look at that storm system on the data. Good news is it looks to be an all-rain event next weekend. No snow next weekend, but perhaps some rain and warmer temperatures. But in the meantime, bundle up today. It's going to be very, very cold. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.